Hey, concrete fans. We're back, and today we are doing, we're revisiting one of our previous experiments of a Willet concrete. Our first episode in the Willet concrete series, but I think, first of all, welcome. Welcome to This is the Concrete channel. We play and experiment with concrete. That's what we do. And so here we are doing our thing, playing and experimenting with concrete. Now I've got some samples from if you want to check out an older video called Willet Concrete Cheerios, where I made concrete out of, yeah, you heard it right, Cheerios. So this is our Cheerios concrete. You can kind of see them, some of those Cheerios in there. This one, you don't see as many Cheerios in this. They're there, they're in there. You can see them there. You can see them there, Cheerios. But I thought a good place to go from there is like, we should wreck these now, but let's break them. Let's break them apart using strength, so much strength, and maybe using a hammer. Hammer time. That's a musician. Or just strength. So here we go. Is Cheerio concrete strong? It's strong enough that I don't know if I can just bust it apart with no. So it's actually quite a bit lighter than one of these is typically. I would say it's almost half the weight. It's kind of funny. Weight reduction. Cheerios give you weight reduction. But I'm curious, can I bust this thing? Can I just crush it with my weight? Okay, it's strong enough. I'm not going to just bust it with my hands. Interesting. No, not happening. Okay. Whew. What about this, though? So this thing I should be able to break. It's got a ton of Cheerios in it, and it has no fiber, and it's long. It's got me a good leverage point. This thing is strong. It's designed to be tough. This is just a log of concrete Cheerios that I rolled out, so there should not be any strength for this. I'm going to bust it in half. Easy. Watch. And then we get to see what's inside. What's inside? Guess. Probably Cheerios. Oh, my goodness. No, this is breaking. Yeah. This actually looks kind of yummy. Don't eat this. It smells... I stick to it. It smells like a box cake mix. Betty Crocker box cake mix. If you mix Cheerios in concrete, you get Betty Crocker box cake. So that was actually a little bit stronger than I thought. Compressive strength, it's very strong. Tensile strength, it's not going to be strong because we don't have fiber. How do we put something fibrous in here? Maybe we'd see tensile strength, but with no fiber, you're not going to have tensile strength. Concrete creates tensile strength by being in tension. So having a solid core, or having something, having a core and having another material locked around that core, when you flex it, it creates tension either on the top or the bottom, depending on which way you're flexing this material. We don't have that here. It's just one homogeneous mix, no core. That's why we put rebar, fiber, all that stuff. I guess we do have a bit of hemp fiber, but not enough for how much pressure I'm putting on this. And considering, like, look at the gapping inside of there. Interesting. So, will it concrete? Yeah, it will. And it's actually surprisingly strong. Our vessel here, I actually thought I'd be able to pull it apart and bust it, but it's not happening. Okay. Yeah, forget it. I don't want to cut my hand or do something crazy. So, Willet concrete Cheerios. Willet concrete? Let's get this. Yes, it will. You can make concrete out of Cheerios. It'll be relatively strong. Kind of gross. Putting organics into your concrete is gross because it creates areas that can have bacteria can thrive. There's sugar and starches and stuff in there that bacteria wants to eat. Gets all gross and moldy. Would I recommend putting Cheerios in your concrete? No, it's probably not a good idea. Can you do it? Sure, you can do it. Why not? We just proved it. You can do it. Will it concrete? Yes, it will. Mr. Concrete, hope you had fun. Thanks for revisiting this little experiment with me. And questions, comments, leave them below. Love to hear from you. Peace out, everyone.